Today we are going old school Mexican with Cochinita Pibil, the delicious slow roasted pork from the Yucatan. And the best part, it has none of the 12 bad foods. Coming up. Hey, howdy folks! Raquel, Castillo, Oelze here with Happy Healthy People, helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. And today we're making Cochinita Pibil or Puerco Pibil. I want to give a shout out to our friend Alex T. in Anaheim for this idea. This slow roasted pork dish comes straight out of the Yucatan Peninsula area of Mexico. It's an old Maya dish where the pork is marinated in what is called an achiote paste and buried in a pib or underground oven until the pork is tender. The slow cook time and the marinade give it a taste that is intense, spicy, and unique. Well, we won't be burying anything today. We got this recipe from director Robert Rodriguez's 10-minute cooking school. So this version is easy to make right at home. And the best part about it, it contains no gluten, no oil for frying, no nitrates, and none of the other 12 bad foods. Now this one takes a bit of prep work, so let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. For the achiote paste, you'll need 5 tablespoons of annatto seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, half a teaspoon of whole cloves, 8 whole allspice berries, and a new coffee grinder to grind it all together. And for the marinade, you'll need 2 habanero peppers, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of white vinegar, 8 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of salt, the juice of 5 lemons, and 1 shot of your finest tequila. You'll need 4 to 5 pounds of boneless pork shoulder or pork butt, and banana leaves. The banana leaves, the habanero peppers, and the tequila are all optional. Banana leaves are a little hard to come by unless you have a banana tree or a really good Mexican market near you. With that out of the way, let's get cooking. First, we'll cut the pork butt into 2-inch cubes and set aside. Next, we're going to make the achiote paste. The achiote paste is what gives the pork its color and rich flavor. You might want to have a new coffee grinder for this one because you don't want this very flavorful, strong spice mix or any spices mixing with your coffee. I picked up this Cuisinart grinder for around $20 at my local H-E-B. In the grinder, add the annatto seeds, the cumin seeds, the whole black pepper, the cloves, and the allspice berries, and grind them all to a fine powder. The finer, the better, so you don't get any clumpy, crunchy texture to your pork. Now onto the marinade. If you're using them, clean the seeds out of the habaneros and dice them, or leave them in if you really like the heat. Habanero is a standard ingredient in Mexico for this dish. Add them to a blender along with the orange juice, the vinegar, the garlic, the salt, the lemon juice, the spice mix, and the shot of tequila, and blend it good. Put all the pork in a gallon Ziploc type bag or bigger and pour the marinade mix in and let it sit for about 30 minutes or however long you want. While the pork is marinating, grab a pan 13 by 9 or bigger and line it with the banana leaves. The banana leaves add an extra element of flavor and authenticity. In Mexico, they wrap the pork in banana or other types of leaves before they put the container in the ground and bury it to cook. Plus, it makes you look cool and like you know what you're doing in front of your guests. If you can't get banana leaves, just use aluminum foil. Once it's done marinating to your liking, empty the bag with the pork marinade mixture into the pan and wrap it all with the banana leaves. Then wrap the top of the pan good and tight with aluminum foil so no steam escapes. That's how it's going to cook. Set your oven to 325 degrees and let the pork cook undisturbed for 4 hours. Hey folks, while that is cooking, let me know if you're getting some value out of this video. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you never miss a new video when we put one out. After 4 hours, your pork will be so tender you can cut it with a fork. Find a good pickled red onion recipe and serve it with the cochinita like they do in Mexico, and you will experience a flavor explosion like no other. I like it served on a plate with white rice and some black beans, while Tom likes it in taco form. Definitely use the non-GMO or homemade corn tortillas for this one. Either way, you can't go wrong with this dish for your health and healing. Question of the day. Have you ever had Cochinita Pibil? Did you ever make it? And how do you make yours? We would love to hear from you in the comments below. So thanks for checking out this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Until next time, Happy Healthy People is helping you go farther and quicker in healing yourself naturally. Keep moving forward and we'll talk soon.